How would be no complement? Hence, what is the combination? 0 and 1. Okay, so first row completed. Now come for second row. Okay, what is second row left? Second row, first column. Second row left, A is 1. Second row top, B is complement. Hence, what is the combination? 1 and 0. Okay, second row last. Means second row, second column. Look at the left and the top. What is A occurrence? A. B occurrence? B. Means no complements in both the horizontally and vertically. Means column wise and row wise. So you remember the table? 2 raised to 2, that means 4. 0, 1, 2, 3. Now you apply the weights. A and B. B means 2 raised to 0. A means 2 raised to 1. Values are 1 and 2. What is this? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. What is the row here? A complement, B complement. A complement B. A with B complement. Last one is AB. Now, what you have to do is, in every box, in the right top corner, small box you prepare for your reference and write row number. What is the row number of A0, A complement, B complement? 0. So here I will write 0. Okay. So next, what is this? A complement B. Please find out A complement B. A complement B. What is its equivalent value? 1. Hence I will write here 1. Okay. Second, first row all cells are finished. Come for the second row. What is this format? A, B complement. A, B complement. What is its format? 2. Hence we will write this as 2. Okay. So what is next row? Sorry, next box? AB. So AB means 3. Okay. Fine. Now I will write the general format. This is for your theoretical or beginning concept. But when we solve a problem, we are going to write different inside the cell. So let me write final layout. How we should write a K-map of 2 variables. Okay, only this much we have to write. Please come check here. I will clear this part. Now, K-map of 2 variable, 4 small cells, row wise A, column wise B. A occurs in 2 formats, A complement and A. B occurs in 2 formats, B complement and B. Since 2 variables are there, 2 raised to 2, that means 4. 0 to 3 occurrence, 0, 1, 2, 3. So, by looking into the previous notation method, I got 0th cell, first cell, second cell and third cell. So this is a layout for next concept. This is layout for next concept. Okay. So here simplification I will take in the next. So let me prepare layout of 3 variables. Layout of 3 variables. Okay. Fine. Layout of 3 variables. Before I go for the problem, okay. Sorry. What I will do is I will solve. There are very limited problems on this. I will solve them. Later we will go for 3 variables. Okay. Fine. Okay. So it will take little time. Concentrate. Y1 is a digital function given for controlled by 2 variables A and B, and it is SOP, summation, min terms. These all are the using words. Small letter m, 0 and 1. Okay, this notation in terms of statement I will write. It is Okay, so y1 is function of two variables a comma b. It is okay high for cell numbers 0 and 1. Cell numbers 0 and 1. Okay, so in mathematical we write summation of 0 comma 1, but in English it will be y1 is digital function of two variables a comma b. It is high for cell numbers 0 and 1. So high means 1. High means 1. So cell numbers, which all cell numbers? 0 and 1. So what I have to do? Right? Big size 1 here in the given cell 0. Also big size 1 in the cell number 1. So what is one more mean? It is high for cell numbers 0 and 1. It also means that it is low for 2 and 3. It is low for 2 and 3. So what we have to do? We have to write big 0. Don't write cell numbers in big font. Write in a small comfortable font. But these cell numbers should be high. Okay? Means what are the values we are writing inside it. It is high for given cell numbers and low for not given cell numbers. If you merge the set of given and not given, it should be full set. So full set means what? What is the total possibilities? 0, 1, 2, 3. Completely it is 0, 1, 2 and 3. There are two sets. One is high set and one is low value set. Okay, it is not fixed. All the time first values are high, later values are low. It is a combination. You will come to it. Okay. So fine. Now let's continue this. Okay. Now if we go for simplification directly, what we have to think is we have to find out adjacent ones. Adjacent ones means one next to the other cell. One next to the other cell. But not diagonally. 0 and 3 not allowed. First thing, they both have different numbers. One is 1, one is 0. First thing, that is not allowed. The second thing is they are diagonal, hence those are not allowed. So right now, how to consider for simplification? See now, what is the first term? See, if you take this, what you will get? If you consider this, what is left of this and top? It is A complement into B complement plus. Okay. So what is adjacent? Next here, A complement with B. A complement with B. What is simplification? Take A complement comma B complement plus B, which will give us 1. A complement into 1. Finally, we will get as A complement. See, this is a manual method. Okay. Now we have to think how it is possible in K-map without doing Boolean rules. What is purpose of K-map? Without using Boolean rules, we have to simplify. Okay. So let's write. Find out 2 raised to m adjacent ones. 2 raised to m adjacent ones. Condition is m must be as maximum as possible. As maximum as possible. It should not be as minimum as possible. It should be maximum possible. See, how many ones are there? 2. There are 2 ones. Do we have standard notation for m which will give us 2? Yes, that is 1. Okay, that means there is possibility of two adjacent ones, okay, which are one very adjacent with other. Now what we have to think is, we have put cover on those two adjacent ones. We have put cover on those two adjacent ones. So now this cover, now you have to think beyond cells. So till this you have thought this cell separate, this cell separate. Now you have to think this cover beyond, little beyond. Okay. So cover wise, how many covers we have here? We have one cover. That one cover consisting of how many cells? Two cells. Okay. Two cells, one cover. So what is cover function? We are writing now cover function. This cover what we have applied, what is common thing for that? Left side, A complement. Okay. Cover is row wise, hence row variable. What is, in how many columns we have applied this cover? Is 2. Okay. One is B complement and one is B. Since we can directly like this. Actually, no need to write, but still I am writing because it is the first problem. B complement plus B. You know B complement plus B as 1. Hence, we will write A complement into 1. That also we know. Hence, we will directly write it as A complement. So here we are not writing by using any Boolean functions. Directly we will write A complement. I will take one more problem and try to solve. We will come to it. Okay. If I change this to 0 and 2, 0 and 2, how it will affect? Okay. Fine. Don't forget to write small cell numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, please read out the given function now. I will change this to y2. y2 is a digital function with the two variables a comma b. It is high for the given cell numbers 0 and 2. That means what we have to fill in the 0th and second cell? High. That means 1. Not given cells, what are those? 1 and 3. Those should be filled with 0. So now, are there adjacent ones? Yes. How many? There are standard 2 raised to m adjacent ones. How many? 2. Yes. Yes, it is possible. We can put in cover. So now, can we put vertical cover? Yes. Now we have to think beyond cells in cover level. So how is cover? Cover is vertically. So if it is vertical, what is common thing? Column variable is common. Okay. Common column variable is common. B complement. So in how many rows it is? It is present in 2 rows. First row is A complement, second row is A. You can imagine here in the bracket A complement plus A, which will give us 1. 1 into B complement, hence we will directly get it as B complement. Let's check whether it holds correct by Boolean rules or not. What is format of this? A complement, B complement, because it is a 0th cell. What is second cell? A into B complement. Just refer previous table. A into B complement. What is guaranteed? B complement is common. A complement plus A, 1 into B complement, hence it is B complement. See the problem. Okay. So now let's go for one more problem. This is little different. 0 with 3. Okay. Read out the problem. y3 is digital function of two variables a comma b, and it is high for 0 and 3. Okay, write the layout of K-map. A here, B here, A complement, A, B complement and B. Small font, right? Cell numbers 0, 1 in the first row, second row, 2, 3. Now, what are the given cell numbers? 0 and 3. So, 0th cell will get a high, third cell will get high. Not given cell numbers 1 and 2. So those should be filled with 0. Okay. So now the question. How many ones are there? 2 ones. 2 ones. Okay. There are 2 ones, which is standard formula of 2 raised to m. But we cannot put a diagonal cover. Okay. So the condition adjacent not followed. There are standard 2 raised to m ones, but both are not adjacent. Hence, we will not put a cover. That time, reduce the scale by m. Reduce the scale. That means what? 2 raised to 1 is not possible. But 2 raised to 0 is possible. But that time, it increases with n times. It increases n times. There are n times 2 raised to 0. That means n times 1. That means cover size 1. How many ones are inside this cover? There is only one value 1. Like that, there are 2. So here is 1, here is 1. So before you write covers separately, write the function. So what is this function? A bar into B bar plus, what is this function? A into B. It is not possible to simplify further, but we can write XOR XNOR representation, but simplification, this is the last. Okay, here the concept is, okay, I will take the layout which we have studied previously and I will try to explain you where covers are possible and where not possible. So by that I will finish the 2 variable function. See here, a bar b bar, a bar b, a b bar and a b. Please concentrate. The covers are possible where the function's representation has exactly one difference. See here, check this and this. One variable difference. What is A bar. B is in B complement. What is here? A is in complement, B is in direct format. So between these two, how many similarities and how many same? Sorry, how many differences? A bar same. So hence one same. B bar and B, one difference. So there should be exactly one difference. 2 differences, 3 differences, not allowed. Is it clear? So hence we can put cover like this, allowed. Okay. So now you check this. So here it is A bar B bar. Here it is A B bar. So what is B? B bar in both the sides. So one similarity. How many differences? Only one. That is A bar and A. Hence this is allowed. So let's check this. 1 and 3. Check 1 and 3. What is 1? A bar B. 3 A B. So what is B? Same. A difference. Differences are only one, that is A position. So if we check this, what happens? See, one side it is A bar B bar, one side it is A B. So compare this, A is different, one side it is complement, one side it is direct, another side B is also different. Hence we cannot put 0 with 3 in cover. So let's check 1 and 2. What is 1? A bar B. 2 is A B bar. So I am checking this diagram. Okay. So what is A here? Complement. Here no complement. So one difference. What is B? Direct. Here it is complement. Hence 2 differences. So cover is not allowed. So here 0 3 not allowed. 1 2 not allowed. 0 1 allowed. 0 2 allowed. 1 3 allowed. 2 3 allowed. 0 1 allowed. Okay, like this we have to check. This is what for 2 variables. Okay, so in 2 variables we will not have more than 4 functions. Okay. So some of the problems I have considered. Okay. Let me take last problem here on the 2 variables. So y3 is function of 2 variables. It is high for 0, 1 and 2. So write the cell numbers 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now where all to write high? 0th cell 1, first cell 1. See. How many ones are here? There are 3 ones. Okay, there are 3 number of ones. But we don't have standard m. Okay, so in that case, we have to think about different possibles. Okay, now, what is the first possibility? Taking, and this is also not ordered, please remember. Because 3 is not a standard formula for 2 raised to m. Okay, so don't try for this type of covering. Now let's think. Can we do multiple covers? Yes. Okay. What is function of this? You have already solved. See, it is a row wise. Row wise means horizontal. Column variables will cancel. B bar and B. So you left with what? A complement. Directly plus. So it is one more possibility. No matter this one is already present in some other cover, if it is possible, again consider and put one more cover for next 2 numbers, because 0 and 2 are also adjacent. So it is a vertical cover, hence row variable cancels. We left with A bar plus B bar. Is it clear? Okay. So one more problem. 0, 2 and 3. Y4 is function of AB 0, 2, 3. A here, B, A bar A, B bar and B, 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0, 2, 3. Okay, now first cover, can you predict the answer now? Vertical cover, row cancels, we left with what? B complement. Horizontal cover, column cancels, we left with row, that is A. Okay, so now what should be the answer for the last problem, Y5? Okay, so that means what? See here, A, B, A bar and A, B bar and B. So 0, 1, 2 and 1, 1, 1 and 1. So how many ones are there? 4. So that means 2 raised to m. Yes, it is possible. What is the value for m? 2. Okay, that means we can put all 4 in the same cover. That time what happens? See, all 4 1. Hence, Y5 is always 1. See, for all combinations it is 9. Hence, it is always 1. Okay, thank you.